Good morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Good morning to all of you. Let's wait for others to join.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. All of you ready with your books? Beta, all of you ready with your books or not?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, I am
Ready. Very nice. Yesterday, we had done the whole chapter, the explanation. Only the last para is left, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I shared your pictures with Palak ma'am. She was appreciating you a lot. Now, who will read?
Good morning, ma'am. And we
Good
have
morning,
done the
beta.
revision of the whole.
Beta, I know we have
And
done difficult words, but the reading is still left. The last two paragraphs are still left of this chapter.
members, you don't have explained.
I have not explained you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, you have explained. No, you have not explained. Ma'am, you have explained. Ma'am, you have not explained. Only reading is going on.
Okay, beta. Okay, I will explain you.
You have explained.
Everybody open your book to page number 27.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Excused.
Ma'am, I have made emblem.
Very nice, Arsalan. Very good. Now, see, I did, beta. I showed you. I explained you.
It on WhatsApp also.
Okay, beta. Okay, Arsalan. Now come back to your SST class. I explained you till where? We have to start the explanation of the chapter.
Ma'am, till evolution you have explained. Left.
Yes? Children, say it clearly. Why don't you say it clearly when the teacher asks something?
Ma'am, only season left to explain.
Only seasons is left to explain. Very good, Manya. Now, coming on to the seasons. Who will read? Praveer Singh will read. Praveer? Praveer will read seasons or not? Yes or no? Reply. Praveer, can you listen to me? I think he cannot listen to me. He cannot hear me. Okay, Akshar, beta, read from seasons.
Now read from season. Okay. The revolution of the earth around the sun and the tidal axis of the earth cause the change in seasons. The North Pole is the northmost point of the earth, while the South Pole is the southernmost point of the earth. The equator is an imaginary line running through the center of the earth, dividing into two equal halves called the hemispheres, divided into two. The top half of the earth that lies between the equator and the North Pole is called the Northern Hemisphere. and the bottom half that lies between the equator and the south pole is called the southern hemisphere.
All right, southern hemisphere. Okay, that's all, beta. Now see, everybody see. What is this? This is the earth that I have in my hand. Okay, everybody look up here. This is imaginary earth. Is that fine? What is this? Is this actual earth?
Imaginary earth.
This is imaginary earth. We are just imagining it as our earth. Now, the topmost tip, the northernmost tip of the earth is called North Pole. What is it called?
North Pole.
The tip is called which pole?
South Pole.
South Pole. There is a line at the center of the earth. There is an imaginary line at the center of the earth which is known as equator. What is it called? Equator. Now this equator divides our earth into two halves. The upper half is northern hemisphere and the half that lies between equator and south pole is southern hemisphere. Which line divides the earth into two halves? Which line divides?
Equator.
Very good. Equator divides the earth into two halves. Which part is called, okay, which part lies between the equator and north pole? Which part lies?
South.
Northern hemisphere. Between equator and north pole, this part is northern hemisphere. And between equator and south pole, which part lies?
Southern hemisphere.
Southern hemisphere. Now do you understand? Southern hemisphere, south pole, northern hemisphere, north pole, equator. You understand all these terms now?
Ma'am, the equator is in between.
Yes, equator is the line, imaginary line. It is also an imaginary line that divides the earth into two halves. Okay? One half is northern hemisphere, the other half is southern hemisphere. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Now next, what are we going to read? As the earth revolves around the sun. Everybody listen to me very carefully and you have to understand it on your own while I read. Okay? As the earth revolves around the sun from April to June, due to the tilt of the earth, tilt is the slant. Due to the slant of the earth, the northern hemisphere of the earth tilts towards the sun. That means it is directly facing the sun. Now when it will face the sun, what season will it be? If the sun is shining bright on that part, what season will it be in that part?
Summer.
Summer season.
Summer.
Very good. And while the southern hemisphere moves away from it means it moves away from the sun. So in southern hemisphere, which season will it be?
Winter.
Winter. Why? Because there is no sun rays, there is no sun shining on it. And when there is no sun, it will be very cold. It will be winter season. The northern hemisphere receives direct rays from the sun. And it has longer hours of sunlight. Now that is why in April, May, June, July, all these months, we have evening till 7:30, isn't it? Because we have direct rays of the sun. The sun directly shines on the earth, not on the earth, in India. India faces the sun. That is why there is daylight for longer hours. While in winters, what happens? By 5 o'clock only, it starts to get dark. Isn't it? In winters, it starts getting dark by 5 o'clock.
In winter, southern.
Yes, because it is away from the sun. It is not directly facing the sun. It is away from the sun. There is no sunlight. Then what happens is, yes. The northern hemisphere receives direct rays from the sun and it has longer hours of sunlight. Hence, the days are longer. Okay? Now do one thing. Manya, start reading from the next paragraph. The opposite happens. Start reading from, yes.
In the southern hemisphere, which is titled away from the sun, the countries in the reserved slanted rays of the sun and hence less hours of sunlight. The day are short and the sun rises and sets early. Day before, when it is summer in the northern hemisphere, it is winter in the southern
hemisphere. Now see, the opposite happens.
Ma'am, please tell me page more. Ma'am, I am so late.
29.
I'm sorry.
29. Now see, when it is, what do you say? When northern hemisphere has direct sunlight, it is summer over there. And opposite happens in the southern hemisphere. It is away from the sun. It has winter season. The countries in the southern hemisphere, when it is tilted away from the sun, they receive slanted rays of the sun and hence less hours of sunlight. Like it happens in winters in India. Why? Because India receives slanted rays of the sun. When the rays are direct, they are not slanted. When we have direct rays of the sun, then we have longer hours of daylight. But when it has slanted rays, it has less hours of daylight. The days are less hours of sunlight is there. The days are short and the sun rises and sets early. The sun rises and sets early. Therefore, when it is summer in the northern hemisphere, it is winter in the southern hemisphere. Is that clear? Now,
Yes,
let us read what happens from November to January. In the months of November to January, what happens? The opposite happens. The northern hemisphere is tilted away from the sun. That is, India comes in the northern hemisphere. So it is away from the sun. While the southern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun. That means southern hemisphere has got direct sun rays. Is that clear? In months of November to January, what happens? The northern hemisphere is away from the sun and the southern hemisphere is directly towards the sun. So it is summer season in southern hemisphere while it is winter season in northern hemisphere. For example, when India, which lies in the northern hemisphere, has summer, Australia, which lies in the southern hemisphere, has winter. Okay? In which hemisphere does Australia lie? In which hemisphere? Southern hemisphere. So India and Australia will always have opposite seasons. When it will be cold in India, it will be hot in Australia. When it will be hot in India, it will be cold in Australia.
Yeah.
Because one country will be facing the sun while the other country will be away from the sun. Okay?
And then also different from rotation.
No, rotation takes place. Now rotation happens the earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. That is the formation of day and night. Revolution is linked with the change in season, while rotation is related or linked with the cause of day and night, the formation of day and night. Clear? Now, Arsalan, read in a nutshell.
Okay, ma'am. 1 minute. Read in a nutshell. There are two movements of the Earth: rotation and revolution. The Earth spins along an imaginary line called the axis. The spin of the Earth on its axis once in 24 hours is called rotation. The rotation of the Earth causes day and night. Revolution is the movement of the Earth in its orbit around the sun. The revolution is the Earth causes a change in season.
Okay, very good. Now let me have Mubashira read out beta in a nutshell. All the students will read in nutshell. Okay, everybody. All of you open your cameras. Everyone's turn will come. Praveer, can you listen to me? Raise your hand if you can listen to me.
Ma'am.
Yes. Praveer, why didn't you reply me before? Were you not able to hear me at that time?
No, ma'am.
No, okay. Now after Mubashira, Praveer Singh will read, then Charitra will read. Are you ready, Charitra?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Start reading, beta. Unmute yourself, Mubashira. Unmute, beta. Children, can you listen to what she is reading?
No, ma'am. Her mic is muted.
Her mic is muted and even I think she cannot hear me. That is why she is going on reading. Mubashira, can you hear me?
Ma'am, she is saying no, ma'am.
Mubashira, can you hear me? Beta, unmute yourself when you read. We can't hear, we can't listen to what you are reading. Okay, Praveer, beta, you start reading. Unmute yourself and start reading.
And from where?
Now, Praveer, what is wrong with you?
Ma'am, where from?
Beta, in a nutshell, the last part of the chapter,
Okay, ma'am.
yellow.
There are two movements of the Earth: rotation and revolution. The Earth spins along an imaginary line called the axis. The spinning of the Earth on its axis once in 24 hours is called rotation. The rotation of the Earth cases day and night. Revolution is the movement of the Earth in its orbit around the Sun. The revolution of the Earth cases a change in seasons. I'm done.
Yes? Read? Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Charitra, it's your turn, beta.
Okay. In a nutshell, there are two movements of the Earth, rotation and revolution. The Earth spins along an imaginary line called the axis. The spinning of the Earth on its axis once in 24 hours is called rotation. The rotation of the Earth causes day and night. Revolution is the movement of the Earth in its orbit around the Sun. The revolution of the Earth causes a change in season.
Very good. Very nice. Very nicely read. Alak Pratap, it's your turn to read. Alak, are you there? Very good. After Alak, Taranveer will read, then Arsalan will read. Be ready, Taranveer and Arsalan. Yes, Alak, start. Unmute yourself. Yes, good.
मैम सीजन वाला पैराग्राफ पढ़ना है.
No, beta, in a nutshell karna hai. Everybody is reading in a nutshell. All of you have to read that only.
Nutshell. मैम मुझे मिल नहीं रहा.
Beta, the yellow last block. It is written in the last block. See, where are you lost?
Okay, ma'am.
Look at page number 30.
There are two movements of the earth. There are two movements of the earth, rotating and revolution. The earth spins along an imaginary line called the axis. The spinning of the earth on its axis once in 24 hours is called rotation. The rotation of the earth cases day and night. Revolution is the movement of the earth is in its orbit around the sun. The revolution of the earth cases a change in season.
Very good.
Ma'am, read it.
Read. Not read it, ma'am, read. Taranveer, are you there?
Ma'am, my phone is network problem.
No problem, beta. Your network problem doesn't have anything to do with the reading. As long as your camera is closed, you can read. Start reading, Taranveer. My camera is also closed and I'm speaking. You can speak. Unmute yourself and start reading, beta. What happened, Taranveer? You don't want to read? Now I'll make a chart for all of you. I'll add stars to it. Those who are interested in reading and those who don't want to read. You'll get stars for every chapter. Mute yourself, those who are not called to unmute, those who are not said to unmute. Next, after Taranveer, who was supposed to read? Arsalan. Beta, start reading.
Ma'am, I have read yet also.
In a nutshell. You have to read in a nutshell, page number 30.
In a nutshell, there are two movements of the earth, rotation and revolution. The earth spins along an imaginary line called the axis. The spin of the earth on the axis once is 24 hours is called rotation. The rotation of the earth causes day and night. The revolution is the movement of the earth in its orbit around the sun. The revolution of the earth causes a change in seasons.
Okay, Arsalan. Read very fast, beta. You didn't take care of any comma, any full stop, anything, huh? Just went on reading and reading. Please take care of all the punctuation marks also. When there is a full stop, pause a little so that the teacher and the listeners come to know that you are starting the next point. It was like you read everything without any comma, without any full stop. I will declare the best reader of the day. Till now it's Charitra. He read the best. Everybody is expected to read in a very good way. Okay, take care of all punctuation marks. Next, who will read? Unsha, Ansh Patel, Yuvraj Singh.
Ma'am, can I read?
Everybody will get their turn to read, don't worry. I want to see Unsha, Ansh Patel and Yuvraj. They are not replying, that means they are not in the class. Only their names are, okay, Unsha is there. Start reading, Unsha. Unsha, you don't want to read? Unsha, do you have a hairpin at your home? Just tuck your hair. Take your hair back and tuck them. They're all coming on your eyes and face. Okay, Unsha also doesn't want to read. Now there are students, Unsha, Taranveer and
Ma'am, can I read?
who did not read.
Ma'am, I also did not read in a nutshell.
No, after being asked. After being asked, beta. Unsha, you want to read? Say yes or no. Yes or no? Unmute yourself first. Unmute yourself. You want to read? Yes, yes? No, that means Unsha doesn't want to read. No star to Unsha. Riddhi Agarwal, what about you? You want to read? So it clearly shows that few students are there just to put their attendance in the class. That's it. Huh? Aradhya Singh, start reading, beta.
Ma'am, which point?
In a nutshell, all the points and take care of all the punctuation marks.
Okay, ma'am. There are two movements of the earth, rotation and revolution. The earth spins along an imaginary line called the axis. The spinning of the earth on its axis once is 24 hours is called rotation. The rotation of the earth causes day and night. Revolution is the movement of the earth in its orbit around the sun. The revolution of the earth causes a change in seasons.
Very nice, very good. Next, Akshaj, start reading.
Okay, ma'am. There are two movements of the earth, rotation and revolution. Second, earth spin along an imaginary line called the axis. Third point, the spinning of the earth on its axis once in 24 hours is called rotation. Fourth, the rotation of the earth causes day and night. Fifth one, revolution is the movement of the earth in its orbit around the sun. Sixth one, the revolution of the earth causes change in season.
Very nice. Next, Manya is left, right? Only Manya is left.
In a nutshell, there are two movements of the earth, rotation and revolution. The earth spins along an imaginary line called the axis. The spinning of the earth on its axis once in 24 hours is called rotation. The rotation of the earth causes day and night. Revolution is the movement of the earth in its orbit around the sun. The revolution of the earth causes a change in season.
Okay, beta, very nice. Now, again, for the last time, I'm asking anybody in the class wants to read who has not read. Okay, Riddhi Agarwal is raising her hand. Very good, beta, very nice. But Riddhi, you're not connected to the audio. Can you listen to me? Riddhi? Speak something, beta. Yes, okay, start reading. Very good.
First point, there are two movements of the earth, rotation and revolution. The earth is spinning alone in imaginary line called the axis. The spinning of the earth on its axis once in 24 hours is called rotation. The rotation of the earth causes day and night. Revolution is the movement of the earth in its orbit around the sun. The revolution of the earth causes a change in season.
Very nice, Riddhi. Very well tried. Very nice. Anybody else for the last time I'm asking? Yes, Mubashira?
When the class is over.
No, the class has not got over. It will get over at 12 o'clock. Mubashira, you want to read? You were not heard while you were reading.
Ma'am, I don't have book.
You don't have book? You want me to share the PDF with you? Shall I send it on your class group? You can see
Yes,
from there and read. Yes, very good. Beta, if you don't have the book, you should tell it to me in the beginning only, beta. I will share the PDF. How will I come to know the child doesn't have the book or not? Huh? In all other classes, anywhere if the child doesn't have, if any student doesn't have the book, he or she should notify the teacher. Now see, check your class group. The PDF is there. And take out the 4th page of the PDF, and there you will see in a nutshell the yellow column that is made, yellow block. Have you found it, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay.
Ma'am, where we have to read?
You have to read all the points of in a nutshell. Okay,
ma'am.
Start reading.
Okay, ma'am. When you take a sibling top on B blade and spin it, you will notice that there is a
Beta, where are
line.
you? Beta, where are you reading from? In a nutshell, the yellow block. There is a yellow block made. Page number 30 of the book.
Okay, ma'am.
There are two movements of the earth. I'm talking about this block.
There are two movements of the earth, rotation and revolution. The earth is spinning along imaginary line is called axis. Third, the spinning of the earth on its axis once is 24 hours is called rotation. Fourth, the revolution of the earth causes day and night. Fifth, revolution is the movement of the earth in its orbit around the sun. Sixth, the revolution of the earth causes a change in season.
Very nice, beta. Very good. So, shall I declare today's best reader? Shall I announce?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody else? Still last time I'm asking Ansh Patel, Yuvraj Singh. You have not read. Taranveer Singh. Last chance with all of you. Okay, you don't want to read. Any guesses who is the best reader of the day?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Any guess? It's just a guess.
I'm a character.
Any guess? Charitra? Okay, let's not guess. Let's not guess. Let's vote. Let's start voting. According to you, who was the best reader?
Ma'am, I vote myself. Yeah.
Yes, you found yourself the best?
Okay. Ma'am, I vote myself.
Ma'am, I also vote myself.
Okay, and if I say it is not allowed to vote oneself, then it is not allowed to vote
And
oneself.
myself.
So,
Ma'am, I think Raja.
According to Manya, it's Aradhya. Okay, Aradhya, according to you, who is it?
According to it's me or Manya.
According to you, it's Manya.
Yes, ma'am.
So are you playing best friend here? Yes?
Oh, ma'am.
No?
Oh, ma'am, but her reading was good.
No, you don't have to play best friend. You have to be very honest.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
vote
I
to
am honest.
Yes?
Charitra. Ma'am, vote.
Ma'am, I am honest.
You are being honest. Okay. Akshat says his vote goes to Charit. What about you, Arsalan? Whom will you vote for?
What?
Whom will you vote for as the best reader of the day? Who, according to you, was the best reader? Yes?
Ma'am,
You are not allowed to vote for yourself. Unnecessarily, you people are taking your own names, huh?
Ma'am, can you tell me? Ma'am, can you tell me who's the best?
Can you tell me what? See, you all were reading and I'm feeling thirsty. What are you asking?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, my real name is Jannat and full name is Unsha.
Your real name is?
Jannat.
Jannat. So that's your
Yes, ma'am.
nickname. Jannat is your nickname and your official name is Unsha.
No, ma'am, school name is Unsha.
Only school name is Unsha. Otherwise, everywhere around you are known as Jannat.
Yes, ma'am.
Jannat, now tell me, why didn't you read? Were you shy to read in front of everyone? Now next time, children, today it's okay, you people didn't read. Next time, I don't want to see like this. Is that fine?
Okay,
Yes, Manya, what do you want to say?
ma'am, who is the best reader?
Wait, let me have some more votes for the best leader. Where is Jannat? Jannat has left. Okay, according to Unsha, who is the best reader? Unsha, according to you? Yes? Nobody is replying.
Ma'am, vote for all. Ma'am, I vote for all.
Okay. So according to me, without any guidance or without checking anything about his or her reading, Charitra was the best today. Okay. Now each day I will pick one best whenever we do reading, not each day. Okay. Whenever we do any chapter, start any chapter and we do the reading, I will announce the best reader.
So, yes? Ma'am, the best reader is Charitra?
Yes, the best reader of the day is Charitra. And others also read it very well. Don't think that you didn't read well. It's just about being the best among all. Fine?
Ma'am, the clapping for Charitra.
Clap. Yes, everybody should clap for him. See how happy Charitra is feeling, huh? How happy he's feeling. Good. Nice. Very nice. Okay, so children, let's end the class here. The time is over.
Ma'am, it's at 12 o'clock. It's exact 12 o'clock.
Yes?
Ma'am, it's exact 12 o'clock.
Yes, it's exact 12 o'clock. Yes. And the class is over. Okay? Bye to all of you. See you tomorrow.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta.
Bye, ma'am.